Hymer is a manufacturer of motorhomes and caravans in the premium segment. As an innovation driver in the industry, we are constantly looking at new impulses and trends in order to meet the requirements of the changing target groups.
The Hymer Venture S defines a completely new vehicle category, and we demonstrate how we imagine mobile travel here and now.
For the Venture S, we introduced a new product development process. We supported this with new digital media, such as virtual reality and augmented reality. Siemens supported us, especially in the area of virtual reality and augmented reality. Here, they provided us with software and test versions and were at our side in an advisory capacity in order to make the right selection here and ultimately find the right program for us. In the area of virtual reality, we decided to use Teamcenter Visualization software after a selection process and various tests. The virtual reality supported us already in the product development process to secure concepts with the support of the work preparation. Once the prototype is built, we use augmented reality to prepare for production with quality management support and the help of our production workers. With TeamViewer Frontline's direct integration into Siemens Teamcenter, we could easily visualize the vehicle and its parts and make it usable for employees that don't work at desks. The solutions enables faster knowledge transfer and adds interactive technology to our hands-on production processes.
A detailed digital twin enables us to produce photo and video material for a product launch at an early stage. This allows us to start creating this content even without the presence of a physical vehicle. In addition, we can already initiate training for our production or trade without the presence of a physical vehicle.
The use of digital tools was a key success factor in implementing and safeguarding the high level of innovation.